There is something about watching these little animals eat their food, and that is very relaxing. Like, literally, at some level, one feels that just by providing this little food for these animals, it's, I don't know, yeah, one is giving meaning and purpose to one's life, really. Because that's what, at some level, rabbits create a lot of mess, and it takes effort, little amount of effort to look after them, but the kind of rewards are like amazing, so yeah, I'm so glad this little girl's eaten her fill, and she's jumped. Oh my god, how convenient is that? She's able to jump. Man, I'm so glad I caught this on camera. And she thinks it's some flowers there. Oh, sorry, sweetie pie. So yeah, I need to give them a varied diet, whatever I can possibly can. They eat banana peels also, and this lady hopefully should jump again. No, she's gone under the bed. But yeah, so this is so nice, and I'm so glad that they have so much food to eat. Thank you, Lord.